Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power, and at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one at the back side of the charging case. On the front side again we see the LED light, so this method also works. Also we can use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and USB-A cable I'm going to connect it to my PC. And also right here we have the LED light. And that's it. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!